Yo, what's up guys? Today let's check out 10 cool websites that you can actually check when you're bored. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. So starting up, the first website in the list is News of Future. So News of Future is generally a website which gives you predicted news right from the future. This website is having several categories of news right from to year 2020, 2025 and 2030 and 2035 right up to 2050. So choosing up any of these years will give you the news that can be out in that year. So this is a cool website. If you're interested to read the predicted news right from the future, this is the website. And you also have categories to choose from right from technology, environment and health and society. So this is a great website to check out if you really want to read some news that are coming up in the future.
It won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard.
So coming up to the second website in the list is coolinterestingstuff.com. So this is a really great website, one of my favorites indeed. So right up here in the website you have a lot and lots of unexplained mysteries. You also have some weird stuff related to the UFOs explained. You have different sort of stories and various conspiracies that are right in the society. So if you scroll down and select up any of the story, you have the complete brief of the story as well as the complete explanation of the story. You have different sort of categories in the unexplained mysteries. You can go ahead and check it out. A really cool website to check out during those boring times.
We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed.
So yeah, next up is Supercook. So Supercook is a website for those who are interested in cooking. So cooking is a great way to get out of your boredom. So in case you are wondering what to cook, this website will help you out. So right up here on the left side of the website you have certain ingredients. So you need to simply tick those ingredients that you have with you, and once you're done with ticking up, you'll have on the right you'll be having the dishes that you can literally make with those ingredients. So you have different sort of dishes to choose from, and you also have some sort of suggestions to add up some more ingredients to make a better dish. You can choose up from the wide range of varieties and go ahead and prepare your own dish. Yeah. Coming up to the next website is Apartment Therapies. So if you're interested to organize your stuff in the free time, so then this website is a really great check through. So in this website you have different sort of DIY activities as well as different sort of paint jobs and the way the things can be organized to have a better look of the apartment. And you can go through it and make your room look better. So do check out this, guys. So next up is Gravity Points. This is absolutely fun, nothing sort of technical. So you need to simply click on any one point and you have these random particles just passing out to this point and going through, and again getting attracted to the gravity point. It's just like a black hole attracting up things but repels it back. You have option to create number of gravity points and see these cool animations running through. I can't literally get off this website after playing with it. Coming up to the next website in the list is How Stuff Works. How Stuff Works is a great website. If you are more fascinated to know how things work, this is a great website to check out. You have all the things right up covered in here. You have different sort of topics and explanation for the same thing. So it will be clear explanation of how the things really work in the real world, and you can simply go through it and gain up some knowledge. So next up in the list is I waste so much time. So this is like a meme sort of website. You have like different sort of funny memes as well as videos and some random posts you can simply check through and have some good laughter time. So do check out this and have some good time. Okay, coming up to the next is BuzzFeed. So BuzzFeed is like sort of a magazine. So it has like all sort of news as well as trending quizzes. You can simply go through it and like have some good time. So right from TVs, movies, shopping, videos, you have like all the trending items right up here. You also have like BuzzFeed news. You can like go through the feed that is going up right on your society and get to know more on it. So next up in the list is WikiHow. So WikiHow is like one of those popular website. I hope most of you guys already visited it because like it has like all sort of this pictorial representation of how the stuff can be done. You can also like search for several sort of things right in the search bar. So if you like click on any of these articles, you have like step by step pictorial representation of how the thing has to be done, and you can simply do it with ease.
know I wanted to stay, could have forgotten, but there was no other way. Did you wait?
Okay, next up in the list is a good movie to watch. So probably if you're like wondering what movie to watch, this website gets you covered. In this website you can simply go through the genres and you can search up for the movie you want to watch. You have like simple rating based system and you can simply choose up one of those movies, and you have like option to go to some other websites for rating as like the IMDb or Rotten Tomatoes to go ahead and check out those ratings of the movie, and it will be like also showing up the links for the movies to watch. You can simply click on it and you'll be redirected to the movie. So this is a great website for selection of movies. Do check it out guys.
Holding it safe.
So last up we have like this website. It's called as Audi. So this is like a website which like gives you some odd newses which like literally you won't get in conventional papers. Right up in this website you have like different sort of categories to choose from. So similar to the previous websites, right from technology, science and etc. You can choose up anything and you'll have like news that you haven't read in before. So do check out this great set of websites when you're definitely having a hard time or a boring time. Well, that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Rath signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.
I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed.